Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by capturing the TikTok clip that contains the frame you want. Open the post, tap share and try save video. If that option's missing, start your phone's screen recorder and play the clip. Make sure you've granted photos and microphone/screen permissions so the saved file lands in your gallery. Once recorded, trim the clip start and end to isolate the best second of footage. That one clear frame will become your wallpaper, so pick a high-contrast moment. Now you'll convert the trimmed clip into a crisp still. Open the trimmed video in your gallery player, go to the exact frame, pause and capture a screenshot, or use a frame grabber feature in a video editor to export single frames for better quality. Once you have the image, crop it to match your device's wallpaper ratio, 9:16 for most phones, 16:9 for landscape displays. Make sure the focal subject is centered, because many launchers zoom or pan. Finally, set the exported image as your wallpaper through settings Right Arrow Wallpaper, select Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both, and adjust the preview so nothing important is cropped out. If you prefer motion, convert the short clip to a live photo or use a video wallpaper app that supports looping. If you can't save the TikTok natively, use screen recording or a reputable downloader, but be mindful of copyright and creator permissions. If colors look off, check display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.